Mark, I can't believe you forgot our anniversary.
I know. I messed up, Sophia. I'm really sorry.
You know how important this day is to me, Mark. It's our special day.
I know, and I feel terrible about it. But, can we talk about it? There's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
Well, I didn't forget our anniversary completely. I've actually been planning a surprise celebration for us tomorrow.
Really? A surprise?
Yes, I wanted it to be a surprise. And I've been working on it for weeks.
That sounds nice. But why didn't you say anything earlier?
I wanted it to be a surprise. But I should have let you know in advance. I messed up, and I'm sorry.
Well, now I'm curious. What's the plan?
Tomorrow, we're going on a hot air balloon ride at sunrise, followed by a picnic in the park, just like our first date.
That sounds incredible, Mark. I can't believe you planned all of this.
I wanted to make it up to you, and show you how much you mean to me.
It's not about the forgetfulness. It's about the effort and love you put into this surprise. I forgive you, Mark.
Thank you, Sophia. I promise I'll make it up to you.
I love you, Mark.
I love you too, Sophia. I'm so lucky to have you in my life.
Let's make tomorrow unforgettable.
Next day.
Mark, this has been the best anniversary ever.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, Sophia. I meant every word when I said I wanted to make it up to you.
You really did, Mark. And you know what? I'm grateful for the forgetfulness, because it led to this amazing surprise.
I won't forget our anniversary again. But I'm relieved it all worked out.
It's not about never making mistakes, Mark. It's about how we handle them and grow together.
You're right, Sophia. I'm so lucky to have you by my side.
And I'm lucky to have you. Let's cherish every moment together.
Mark and Sophia enjoying their hot air balloon ride.
Mark, I can't believe you pulled off this incredible surprise.
It was worth every moment of planning. To see that smile on your face, Sophia.
You really know how to make me happy. I feel so loved.
You are loved, Sophia, more than you can imagine.
Remember our first date in this park? We were so nervous.
I was trying to impress you with my picnic skills.
You made peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
But you said they were the best you've ever had.
That's because I was falling in love with you, Mark.
I knew from that day that you were the one for me, Sophia.
And I felt the same way. Our journey has been amazing.
Here's to many more years of happiness together, Sophia.
I wouldn't want it any other way, Mark.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.